Hi there, and thanks for tuning in. We are Sakshi, DJ, and little Pixie, the Wander Bunnies. We make travel and vegetarian food vlogs from all over the world. In this video, we are going to share how we explored Amsterdam in 4 days in our last visit in May 2023. So let's get going.
Hello! It's a lovely morning in London today and we are at the London City Airport about to fly off to Amsterdam. The airport is not very large, but it's spacious, neat and clean with several options for F&B, and it's small, which means that there's less walking involved, which actually is great because Pixie has been all over the place, running, jumping, rolling on the floor, that we finally had to give her some screen time to calm her down and to catch a breather. So that's it for now, and see you in Amsterdam. So we took KLM Airlines and we are having a really frustrating experience with them right now. It was a short flight. We got our luggage, but we still haven't received Pixie's stroller. And the airline has been looking around and it's been over an hour and we are still waiting. So let's see what happens. We might have to leave without it.
So welcome to Amsterdam, Gina.
Well, thankfully our airport pickup was waiting for us, so we are on our way to the hotel now. It hasn't been the best start to the trip, but we are hoping for the best from here on.
So we only lost our Pixie stroller, but the good thing is at least the airlines offered to give a temporary stroller until they find our stroller. So that's a good thing. So at least we will have a stroller for the rest of our trip.
Yeah, I mean, it was frustrating. We lost about 2 hours at the airport, but I appreciate the airlines for trying to help and at least giving us a borrowed stroller. So after our ordeal at the airport, we are finally checked into our room. So we are staying at the DoubleTree by Hilton, which is located very close to Amsterdam Central Station. So it's very central to the city. And we've booked a small suite room, so I'll quickly give you a tour. Okay, so this is the reception area, and this is the sofa and will double up as Pixie's bed. This is a nice large TV all over here, and then here's your tea and coffee. Looks like a nice coffee maker. The view from the room. So the rail track is not very pretty to look at. But beyond that, the canal and the blue skies is actually pretty good in person standing over here. This one here is the main bedroom. So it's a nice king size bed. There's a wardrobe and another large size TV. And here's the nice and spacious bathroom. So they have a full size bathtub. Looks like they have provided nice toiletries, your usual wash area, and also a full-size shower area.
That evening, around 4 p.m.ish, when we stepped out of the hotel and started walking towards Dam Square, the whole area was jam-packed with both locals and tourists, it being a long weekend. We weaved through the maddening crowds and made our way to a local cafe to reconnect with a friend from college and her family who've been living here for several years.
It's so nice after so many years we're meeting our college buddies Ishita, and I think we're meeting after 10 years. Yeah, I think we're meeting after 10 years, and now everybody with the kids. We have Pixie and Ishita has 2 kids. So they are here, Gul and Suraj as well. So it was amazing over coffee to just reminisce all the old memories from college days. So it was just amazing. Nice. Good start to the Amsterdam trip.
Looking forward to more.
Later that evening, we sat by a canal and had a couple of drinks with another friend from school and her husband who were on holiday as well. After saying goodbye to our friends, we walked around looking for a place for dinner and arrived at the La Zoccola Pizzeria. Note that we'll upload a separate video of all the vegetarian food we had, and we'll include the link in the description box when the video is ready.
It's been a long and tiring day today, but when we landed in Amsterdam, the day was very nice and bright, so we were able to roam around and have nice coffee, and also we got a drink later by the canal. And it was also heartwarming because we caught up with a couple of friends, and what are the odds that I met a friend from school and another from college, and it was a lot of fun catching up with them after so many years. And now Pixie is getting a bit cranky, so we are heading back home and calling it a day. See you. Hello, good morning from a lovely sunny day in Amsterdam. It's our day 2 here, and we are hoping to start the day with a canal cruise. We saw the different types of boats around here, and there are ones that are very long, carry a lot of people and are covered, and then there are slightly smaller boats which are open top. Hope that we'll get the open top boat.
So because the weather is so good today, so we want to leverage it fully and enjoy the outdoors in Amsterdam. So the best way to do that is taking a relaxing canal tour where you can enjoy some drinks as well, because these open tour boats do offer some drinks which you can purchase.
So like we already shared before, we are staying at the DoubleTree, which is right next to the Amsterdam Central Station. And right across the station is where all the canal cruises start. So we are just walking across and we are just going to try our luck and see what's available.
We luckily found a spot on an open boat with kin boat. It was about an hour-long cruise which started at the central station and ended back at it as well. It cost about 20 euros per adult and 10 euros for kids between 3 to 12 years and free of cost for kids below 3. We really enjoyed the beautiful sights and the leisurely pace of this cruise and recommend it as a must-do activity, especially if this is your first time in Amsterdam. We think it's an excellent way to soak in the city vibes.
So as you know, we have been to Amsterdam before. So all the touristy activities like the museums and the Anne Frank house we have already covered in the past. So this trip is going to be a very chilled out trip where we are going to just hang around, get some nice food and drinks and just take walks and things like that. And also with Pixie, it becomes a lot more easier. So we are adopting this slow paced travel with her, and it's less taxing on her and easier for us.
So after doing the relaxing canal cruise, and we were walking around in different areas, and now finally we are sitting in this nice outdoor cafe to maximize sunny afternoon in Amsterdam.
Later that evening, we caught up with some friends from India who have been living here for a few years now. We met at a cozy Italian restaurant and enjoyed the food, wine, and the conversations that flowed.
Hello. This is day 3 in Amsterdam, and the weather is overcast today. So we were not so lucky with the weather. So we decided to have a late start to the day. And now we are headed out to this market that's called Foodhallen.
So I'm really excited about it, being a foodie. So this is one of the must-do things we hear. So I'm really excited to try out all the food they have over there and share with you guys.
Yeah. And in other good news, KLM found Pixie's stroller. So we are using our own stroller now, and Pixie is much more comfortable, and hopefully she'll be less cranky. She's already fallen asleep. So, fingers crossed we'll be able to enjoy all the food and vlog more easily. And just a little bit of information in case it helps. To get here, we took a tram. It was very convenient and efficient to take that one. And we didn't have to purchase any ticket. We just used our contactless cards and they worked just fine.
Foodhallen is an indoor food market housed in a renovated tram depot, which gives it a trendy atmosphere. The market features a variety of food stalls offering a wide range of cuisines from around the world, with several vegetarian and vegan options. We treated ourselves with some local tapas and beers, hot dogs, spicy wraps and savory pancakes, We spent a good couple of hours here and enjoyed the whole experience. We think Foodhallen is a great to-do for foodies or anyone looking for a fun and unique experience in Amsterdam.
So after a very cloudy and overcast morning and afternoon with some drizzling in Amsterdam today, the sun is out now. It's currently evening, and after all the food that we had hogged at Foodhallen, we decided that some kind of movement will be good for us. So we've come to a place called Vondelpark, which is a nice large park over here, and to get here we just took the tram. We just paid through the contactless card and it was very seamless and easy to get to here. And it has a lot of green open space and a lot of fresh air, if you know that's what you want. If you need to take a break from all the city and the touristy activities, I think it offers a nice and calm environment. And if you're with kids, then I think the kids will enjoy the ponds and all the ducks and birds in it, and Pixie really enjoyed watching them and chasing after them. And then after running around and walking around for some time, we came to this very cute cafe which has a lot of different kind of seatings by the pond where you can enjoy, so if you're not with kids and you want to enjoy a nice quiet coffee or drinks over snacks, you can do that. Or if you're with kids, they have a very nice children's playground with lots of different swings and different kinds of slides and rides. And Pixie has been enjoying here quite a bit. She's quite entertained at the moment. So yeah, that's our evening today, and we don't have any concrete plans after this. And maybe we'll get some drinks and dinner with him. It's 6 p.m. right now, and we have found ourselves the cutest little spot to get some coffee. So we are sitting by the canal, and it's such a lovely weather right now. The sun is out, but there's partial clouds, so it's not too hot and not too cold. The weather is just perfect, and we scored this spot, which is not so easy to find. So check this out. You know, we are right by the canal, and we got some nice coffee, and we are just hanging out right now. It makes me so happy to just chill out like that.
Our day 4 started at the Cuyp market, which is an outdoor market in Amsterdam. It's open 6 days a week from Monday to Saturday and is a bustling hub of activities featuring 200 plus stalls selling a wide range of goods including fresh produce, cheese, meat, fish, clothing, jewelry, flowers, and more. Whether you are looking for a quick snack or a unique shopping experience, this market is definitely worth a visit. It's a great place to find authentic Dutch treats such as stroop waffles, poffertjes, Dutch-style fries, etc., which is what we were interested in more. We tried all the Dutch treats and more and loved the street snacks we had here. After a great start to the day, we took a walk along the Princess Canal and then stopped for a late and leisurely lunch by the canal at a lovely cafe called Roem. Here, we got an amazing seat overlooking the canal and enjoyed some drinks, Dutch-style savory pancakes, and a humongous but delicious club sandwich, all the while watching boats and ducks pass by on the water. These are the moments we savored the most during our entire time here. This sums up our days spent in Amsterdam in the spring of 2023. Thanks for watching. Coming up next, exploring the Dutch countryside and the tulip gardens and fields in full bloom. Stay tuned.